Here, we're going to talk about the options you have when you want to create a brand new Excel workbook file. In order to create a brand new file, and keep in mind that you will automatically get a brand new file when you first open the Excel program, to create a brand new one, click on the Microsoft Office button at the upper left-hand corner of your screen, and then click on the New item. That will take you to this screen here, and this is going to, I'm going to go ahead and give you a little bit of a breakdown of how everything is arranged here. The farmost left-hand column gives you different categories of templates to choose from. In the middle, you have the selections within the category that's highlighted on the left side, and on the right, you have a preview of the template that you've selected. Now, if you simply want to open up a brand new blank Excel workbook file, all you have to do is either double-click on Blank Workbook under Blank and Recent here, or you can simply highlight it and then click on the Create button at the bottom right. That gives you a brand new Excel file to start working on. Now, coming back up to that screen again under the Office button and New, the Recently Used Templates group is very helpful as well, because this will keep a listing for you of all the templates that you've most recently used. So you don't have to dig for them, and if you use a couple of templates very frequently, they will appear here, so all you have to do is highlight, double-click, or highlight and create that particular template, and then you'll be able to get started. Now, on the Installed Templates category, you have a list of templates that Excel gives you when you install the program onto your computer. Here you have examples of a billing statement, a blood pressure tracker, an expense report example, a loan amortization table, a monthly budget statement, sales report, and a time card. And you can click the different selections here, get a preview on the right. If you want to bring it up on your screen, just click on Create. And there you go. You have a pre-formatted Excel spreadsheet ready for you to input your information. And in many cases, you will have formulas already plugged in to some of the templates. I'm going to go ahead and close this off here. I'm going to come back to the New screen again. All right, so that's the Installed Templates category that we just looked at. Now you also have a category selection for My Templates. Now if you've saved any templates onto your computer, whether you've downloaded them from the Microsoft website or you've saved and created your own, they will appear here on this screen. Also, if you work for an employer or business, they very likely have created and saved some standardized templates onto your computer system, which would appear here as well. Okay. New from existing is an option to go ahead and browse out to your computer and find existing Excel files wherever they might be on your system, and then you can create a brand new version of that existing file without impacting or making any changes to the original. It's just a matter of clicking into your computer and going to the folder that contains the Excel files that you'd like to create a new copy of. Now, under the Microsoft Office Online category, you have a whole list of categories here of different types of templates that you can download onto your computer from the Microsoft website. Now, you will, of course, have to have an internet connection connected and open at the time if you want this to work. Say, for example, you're looking for a budget template. Click there, it goes out to the internet, and then it brings in options for you to download to your computer. These are all pre-formatted, many of which already contain formulas, and calculations will happen automatically once you input your data. You've got all kinds of options here you can download. You just select the one that you'd like, maybe a marketing budget plan here, highlight it, look at the preview on the right, and click on the download button. You will then download that onto your computer, and it'll bring up a copy of it for you to go ahead and work on. And I can see here, if I click on the total, the rows that contain totals, and I look at my formula bar, I can see that it's already calculating, so their calculations are built in already. This will very likely save you some time and not having to go from scratch and create a template. You can always take one of these and customize them for your own needs, put in your own company name and logo, and specific details that pertain to you and your organization, and then save it and use that as your own template. Okay, so I'm going back under the Office button to New, and here are where all the choices are. And look through these options here, especially under the Microsoft Office Online templates. You have got numerous categories of options you can download. Different types of reports, project reports, HR reports, a whole selection of different types of templates that are all downloadable. And you can just get up and start working.